Hi guys, welcome back to George's video again, and today's video is going to be a special one because in the past few months I've been learning how to use a CNC machine, and also I made this little project for myself, which is to make the handle for a knife I own. So you can see the project took a few different stages to complete, and the handle is obviously made of aluminum alloy. Obviously, I'm still a beginner, so I took quite a lot of effort, and the fit and finish of this handle is not going to be perfect. But for me, it's quite a huge step up. So you can see the rough shape of the handle is coming out, and I would like to let you guess what the knife is. I'll give you a couple of hints. The first hint is that the knife's company logo is actually a small animal. The second hint is that this is a fixed blade knife. So I hope you guessed it right. In the next video coming up that I will make, I will show you, I will do a review on the knife with this handle. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe or share. So the next video is going to be a big review with a properly made fit and finished handle, as well as the knife, and maybe some usage and the reviews. I will see you next time. Thank you.